Tiffany Rosenbaum here. I am a full-time mommy, part-time reseller, and part-time YouTuber. Today's video is going to be just a quick little update and in regards to the last video I did about different income streams. If you haven't seen that video, I will tag it right here so that you know what I'm talking about. But I wanted to give you an update on how last month went and what my focus is going to be on this month, and we're going to see if I can double my money on eBay and reselling that I made last month. So last month my focus was going to be on affiliate marketing, and so what I was able to do, if you guys have seen in my descriptions, I have become affiliates for several different businesses. I have Amazon, I have Canva, I have TubeBuddy, and some others are in the works as well. I've included those affiliate links in all of my videos, and they will be in all of my videos going forward. So everybody will see them if they want to. Anybody who wants to click on them or gets curious or anything like that, they can do so. I have not yet had a sale come through from any of them, but I am getting clicks and views, and I know with time it will start to increase. So I will let you guys know when the first sale comes in. I will update in one of my videos in the future, but I have everything for that set in stone. There are a couple of other affiliates that I want to get lined up and partnerships that I want to get going that I will be working on in the continued future. But I have the ball rolling and everything in my past videos are there. So I've done everything that I can on that avenue so far. So we are on the path for affiliate marketing. This month's goal is going to be on my reselling business. I have been taking a lot of focus on YouTube lately and growing my channel, which is growing at a faster rate than I would have guessed. But it can always be doing better, and I want to say thank you to anybody who watches or anybody who comments. Commenting is so appreciated. If you guys don't know that, when you comment on my videos, it tells the algorithm that you like my video, and it shows my content to other people who might also like the video. So if you're debating on whether or not you should leave a comment or if I'll appreciate it, please know, please do. I will appreciate it. I will respond back, and it is a really great way that you can support me and my channel. That being said, this month's focus is going to be on eBay and my reselling, as that is my one form of current income right now. So my goal for this month is to double my money in reselling this month than I made last month. And so I'm going to post my January eBay numbers here on the screen. And I know they're probably pretty pathetic, but you have to know that I barely listed anything. I barely did anything. So it was just very passive to say the least. But this month I want to focus on getting those numbers up. I'm not happy with those numbers by any means. And please know that whatever numbers you see are super, 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 super part-time numbers. Again, like I said, I barely did anything with eBay other than ship what orders came in. So my goal is to at least double that. And my plan to do that is to list 200 new items this month. And so the way that I have that broken down is for every single weekday in the month of February, I plan to list 10 items. And I calculated it all out, and if I were to do that for every weekday in February, I would hit 200 listings on the dot. So I know that some days it would be easier than others to list, just depending on what I have going on in my family. So my plan is, since I don't have weekends factored into that count, any listings that I may have listed in that weekly total, because the goal would be 50 listings a week, I will then make that up on the weekend. I have not been able to do a whole lot with my business this past week. We had a major snowstorm in Indiana, and my kid has been home from school way more than he should have. So that kind of just totally distracts me from my work. But I have ordered some inventory. We got some exciting unboxings coming up for you. So I'm also going to cross post. I'm going to use my List Perfectly software. If you guys are unfamiliar with that, I will post my cross listing video up here and you can check that out. And another goal that I have, obviously, in that listing all the extra items, is to get rid of my death pile, or get rid of it as much as I can. If you're familiar with reselling, you know what a death pile is. It's basically your list of items that have not been listed. And some people call it a money pile, some people call it a death pile. It is what it is, and I have one. Every reseller has one. If they say they don't, they are lying. But my goal is to just kind of get that down, because it's money just sitting that it's just gonna sit until I list it. So we're gonna get rid of that death pile this month too, or get rid of as much as we can from that death pile. So again, this was just a quick update. My focus on the month is going to be eBay and my reselling, and I will post an updated video probably at the beginning of next month letting you know what my numbers ended up being and if I hit my goals or not, and then talk about what my focus for the month of March is going to be. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That helps the algorithm. Comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.